So you've registered with UBC, you've gotten access to the online course materials, started studying, and maybe you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed.
And maybe you're already on chapter number 3, but now you're thinking, do I still remember what I studied in chapter 1 and chapter 2?
Yeah, that is a common comment we get from students who come to us for help. There is a ton of information, a ton of chapters to cover in your course, and it's very difficult to remember everything.
For over 20 years, we've been teaching you, and we've heard it all. We've heard all the problems and all the struggles, people crying over this UBC book. So we've heard it all.
What we do for you is we organize you, give you tons of course tools in your lessons and in your modules. And we take the course material, we simplify it, and we put it into lesson videos for you to watch as many times as you want, kind of like Netflix.
And on top of it, for most of the lessons, you will have multiple instructors to choose from,
which allows you to choose the best instructor for your learning style. And on top of that, if you find that you need a little more of a push to stay on top of your studies and more accountability, you can sign up for Zoom sessions where you have an online instructor there to answer all of your questions. So the best way for you to see what we have to offer and whether we work good for you is to try for free.
Just sign up with a free trial and we will see you there.